Hello dear friends, Wonder Tips 777 bringing you a wonderful video from a playground stadium in Jhalawar. Here today I will be giving you a very good message on attitude. If your attitude is super, then you need not to think for anything. And for attitude, we require a lot of work. Positivity should be there. Your mind should grow like anything. It should give ideas. When you are positive in attitude, you can win lot of battles. So what I want to tell you, that you have to be positive always. And when you are positive, you can do any damn thing. In this world, there is big competition, you know. And in this competition, if we are positive, we are always doing something better and better. What I want to tell you, that we in this life need to be a very good gentleman. And that gentleman will be when you will be doing following things. Like, to become a good person, you need to be a 5 a.m. club member. When you wake up early, you can finish your jobs when people are waking up late, say in the morning, 8 a.m. or 10 a.m. My dear friends, we need to work hard. We need not to complain for anybody. We do not have any excuse. And once you have committed that you can do something better, then there is no excuse at all. Networking should be wonderful. Networking with the people. You can learn a lot of things from people, and similarly, you can enjoy the life. My dear friends, I have seen in my life, if you are clear in your mind, if you are clear in your thinking, you are a helping hand to the people, then things become much better. So what I want to tell you, that if we want to become good, then follow the habits of the great people. And what they do what the senior people are doing. So what I want to tell you, that we have to wake up early, drink lukewarm water, go for freshness, do some yoga, jogging, playing indoor game, outdoor games. You can do any damn thing. The thing is, when you are fit, then everything you can catch up. So if your fitness is better, as we all know, health is wealth. So this is the most important thing. And you just see in this ground, when I am moving here, you will find my friends over here. I am taking their motivational classes on some day. What they are doing, they are trying their hard in training for the recruitment in Indian Army. They are from nearby villages in Rajasthan. They work hard, they play hard, they are doing exercises. You might be seeing they are sitting in all over the ground and doing here their practice since 4 a.m. In the evening also they do. More the practice they do, more confidence they get, and they get the target. This is the theme of the day. So again, coming to the your personality development, when you wake up at 5 a.m., drink hot water, and after that you did yoga, running, jogging. After that, what you do, you just plan your day. After playing, after you are planning, you are master of this universe. I tell you, my dear friends, you are a born winner. You can do any damn thing, any miraculous powers, you are master of that. But the need is self-belief. We have to be doing self-belief. That's all.